Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can open your account on Western Union. In order to do that, first of all, you have to come on this website called westernunion.com. After that, as you can see here, there is two options where is you can log in and you can register from here. Just simply click on register if you are a new user. Just click on here. Right now, it will ask you to enter your email address and you have to create a password. I will just simply put my email address and I will create my password as well. So now just simply click on register. It will take a few seconds. Now, if you have a phone number, you can just verify your account with this phone number. If you want to verify with email, you can just simply click on this button. Now just click on the request code. Now you have to enter the code. After entering the code, just click on submit. So we have created account successfully of Western Union Bank. So if you want to send money in Western Union Bank, just simply click on the bank. If you want to add bank in Western Union, or simply you can add debit card as well. So simply click on. It will redirect you to the form, accept, and now here you have to enter your receiver name. Exactly it is appear in the government issued ID. So just simply click enter and enter the first name, last name, and second name and state as well, and just simply continue. So this is how you can register in Western Union Bank. So if this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.